Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to send a video with text on a Telegram group on your PC with the latest updates. Follow these steps to easily share videos with captions in your Telegram group. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC to access the web version. Next, navigate to the Telegram group where you want to send the video with text. Click on the attachment icon within the group chat and select Photos and Videos from the options available. Choose the video you wish to share from your files and click on the Open button to attach it to the group chat. In the caption bar located beneath the video, type the text you want to accompany the video. Once you've added your desired text, hit the Send button to share the video with the text in the Telegram group. By following these steps, you can effectively communicate within your Telegram group by sharing videos with personalized text captions. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to send videos with text in a Telegram group on your PC. Enhance your group interactions by combining multimedia content with text messages.